Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's journey shows growing peas from seeds into plants. ये जो छोटे छोटे मटर के दाने मेरे हाथों में हैं, ये जल्द ही हरे भरे पौधे बन जाएंगे और हमें मीठी मीठी फलियां देंगे। तो चलिए इस जादुई सफ़र की शुरुआत करते हैं। First, a good home is needed for the peas, that is soil. Sow the seeds, make small depression with fingers. Plant seeds about an inch deep to ensure good germination and gently cover them with soil and water them. Soaking the seeds overnight can speed up germination, but it is not strictly necessary. Now, the magic of germination. The waiting game begins. Peas are quick to germinate, and soon a little root emerges from the seed. According to Albus, seeds swell on day 1. The next day, a small white structure emerges from each seed. It gradually elongates during the next 2-3 days, and small hair like outgrowths appearing around its tip. In about 6 to 7 days, tiny shoots will push through the soil. It is incredible to witness this life unfold. They stretching toward the sunlight and grown. Peas plants need consistent moisture, so water them regularly in an appropriate quantity. Do not overwater them. Mulch, that is the extra grass, etc., is also very helpful in keeping the soil moist and the roots cool. The pea seeds are now little plants grown over here. और ये लग गए हैं मटर हमारे भर भर के, पर ये यहाँ पर थोड़ी सी मिट्टी गिर गई है इनके ऊपर। ये मटर है, आगे पत्थर भी आए हैं बारिश की वजह से। ये कितने सुंदर मटर लगे हैं। और यहाँ पे कुछ ज़्यादा ही एक्स्ट्रा घास लग गया है, इसके लिए अभी फिर से इसमें स्प्रे करनी पड़ेगी। From the tiny seeds to these incredible plants, it is a rewarding experience. Thanks for watching and happy gardening, everyone. The pea seeds are now little plants. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget like and subscribe and share with your family and friends. Stay connected for more gardening adventure. Thank you.